Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel tab, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into boot mode. So to get started, you want to turn off the device. Now when you turn it off, from there you'll need to hold your power button and volume down at the same time. And as you can see, this takes us to boot mode. It's also classified as fast boot mode, but if you were to select bootloader in here, restart bootloader, there we go, and confirm it. Now I should mention you navigate using your volume buttons, as you can see, and using your power button you can confirm whatever is selected. Now I did select bootloader, and as you can see it brings me back to the same place. Now going through other options that we have access to, we have start, which takes us back to Android. We have power off, obviously turns off the device, barcodes, recovery mode, then we have a rescue mode, restart bootloader, and then we're back to start. So that's what I'm going to select, confirm, and like I mentioned, this will just bring me back to Android. And here we are. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.